Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time! Today we will post one more fun adventure. Are you guys ready? And are you guys already subscribed to our channel? Hurry up and subscribe to our channel to watch many fun adventures. That's right, Chase! Okay, so talking about fun adventures, what are you gonna do with the kids today? I have to go back to the studio. Well, Skye, today I'm going to take the kids to a fun skate park. Chase, to a skateboard park? That's correct, Skye. I'm going to teach the kids how to skateboard. Wow, I am going to be so nervous all day. Don't worry, Skye. I'll make sure they're safe. Okay, please make sure that they wear a helmet, elbow pads, knee pads, wrist guards. Okay, Skye, of course I will. Alright, I have to go back to work. Keep me posted. Please be safe, okay? Alright, have a fun day at work. Thanks, Chase. Okay, guys, so are you ready? I have to get all the kids ready because it's gonna be a fun day. Wait, where are the skateboards? I know I put them in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Wait, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 skateboards. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so now I have to get the kids ready and put their helmets, elbow pads, all of that, because I need to make sure they're safe. Also, I don't want Skye to worry about us. Kids, time to get ready to go to the skate park. Yay, Daddy, thanks for taking us to the skate park. I really like it here. Me too. Hey, Uncle Zuma, you are so fast on your skateboard. Alright, guys, but also you gotta be very careful. Make sure you wear a helmet, elbow pad, knee pad, wrist guard. Gotta be safe. Uncle Zuma, we're always safe. And look how fast we can go. Woohoo! This is so much fun. Hey, kids, wait! You're going too fast. Hey, Marshall, can you help me? Of course I could help you. What do you need me to do? Can you please help me catch the kids? They're riding the skateboard too fast. Of course, I think they went that way. I'll be right back, Chase. Let me go see if I could catch them. Rubbo is on the double. Woohoo! This is so much fun.
Wow, Daddy, can I go on that very high ramp?
Oh my goodness, kids, I think that's too dangerous.
No, I promise I will not get hurt. Please, Daddy, just this one time. I promise you'll be good. I promise you'll listen.
Oh wow, guys, that's so difficult. Alright, being that you guys are asking, let's just go up the ramp. You have to listen, and you guys will be with me the whole time.
Yay! I'm going to be a skater dog.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's go. Very carefully, pick up your skateboard, and we have to go to the top of the ramp. Hold my hand. Hey, Uncle Rocky, where is Daddy? Did you see him? Yes, he's on the top of the skating ramp. Oh, look! Daddy's on the top of the ramp. That is so scary. I can't believe it. And look, our baby brothers followed him. Oh no, we have to rescue them. Oh, I think Daddy knows how to skate down the ramp, but my baby brothers do not know. Now what are we going to do?
Daddy, can I skate first?
No, Daddy's going to skate down the ramp first, so you guys can watch.
Aww.
And I'll be back in 1 second to help you guys. Stay right there. Oh no, look! They're all by themselves. I hope they listen to Daddy. Well, listening is not their best skill.
Hey, Derek, do you think we should skate down the ramp? I don't think so. I'm afraid.
Kids, stay right there. We're coming to rescue you. Do not skate down the ramp.
I'm afraid to go down the ramp without Daddy. Me too. What should we do? Hey, I have an idea. We'll have to send a message to Ryder. Then he'll signal the whole Paw Patrol. Great idea. Let's do it.
But kids, all the Paw Patrol are here. We can save you. We can rescue you. Hey, rescue who? What's going on, Rocky? Kids! Oh, wow! What's going on? Were you guys trying to go down the ramp by yourselves?
No, it's too scary. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna go down the ramp. Whee!
Oh no, boys! I told you to wait for me. Oh, wow. Skye's gonna be so upset with me. I told her I will be with you guys the whole time and not let you guys go down the ramp by yourself. Nico, wait for Daddy. I'll be there in just 1 second.
Actually, I just sent a message to Ryder.
Oh no, somebody needs help. I'm sending a message to all the Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol to the rescue. I received a message from the control tower and it was coming from the skate park. I got so worried. Oh, come over here, Nico. Mommy is going to rescue you. What's going on, you guys? I thought you guys would be safe the whole time.
Mommy, we were safe the whole time. We just didn't want to go down the ramp.
That's right, Skye. And I was going there to pick them up. But you arrived in perfect timing. Oh wow, Chase, I was worried about you. But I know that you tried your best and you made sure the kids were safe. So you mean you're not upset or worried? No, I knew you would do a great job. You were a Paw Patrol after all. Oh wow, okay, Skye. But thanks for coming by to rescue all the Paw Patrols. Of course, Paw Patrol Skateboard Park Rescue Mission. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed our video today. And if you want to watch more Paw Patrol adventures, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks for watching Toy Toy Time.